What's up everyone, Praful here. Welcome back. Thanks for joining in. Today is the 25th of April and today is the monthly FinNifty expiry, and we had a very tricky spot at which the FinNifty opened. We opened exactly at 19,000 levels. This being a monthly expiry and we opening at a very crucial level like 19,000. I'm not very confident of trading that. Most of the times like 19,000 straddle would have worked out quite well on days like this. In fact, I'd be the one who keeps betting on 19,000 pinning. But today, with the kind of premiums that we had, even if I bet on 19,000 pin, and even if the markets moved like 50 points here and there, probably I wouldn't be able to hold on to my 19,000 straddle. So that is why this is my position. So I'm on 18,950 put and 19,100 call. At this point of time, it's equidistant because the markets are at 17,9. Sorry. Uh, the markets are at 19,030, which is 70 point away from the calls and around 80 points away from the put. So pretty much equidistant, and the mark to market is around 3.5 points. And I'm going to continue to hold on to this position without adding much of the size at this point of time because um, the candles that are forming in relation to the kind of premiums that we have, it's not very suiting for my liking. So that's why I'll be continuing to holding on to this position. So I'll be uh, most probably I'll be risking off any of these options at probably like 15 or something. So at this point, we have a breakout. We have a clear cut breakout. यहाँ पे consolidate होके breakout हुआ है. So most probably यहाँ पे अगर आता है तो then probably we should retest करके we should head back. So that is why I'm going to hold on to this put option at somewhere around 15 14 15 के आसपास तक तो होल्ड करने वाला हूँ because I have got the mark to market cushion as well. So nonetheless this can be a great fake out as well because यहाँ पे सबके सब का call stop losses उड़ गया रहेगा, and now if we start heading lower then everyone's put stop losses which would have been pushed to cost or trailed, so all their put stop losses would start getting hit and probably we might see a sudden fall. Even we might take this swing as well. That's why like at this point of time my risk management is the key, because no matter what, even if my view is bullish, unless this level acts as a support and unless we head back up from here, then I should be very careful on these 950 puts. Time is 11:30 and the markets clearly broke out and the markets are showing the strength जो मैंने यहाँ पे range बनाया था, that range held and the markets are seeing some amount of buying enthusiasm at those levels. And also यहाँ पे एक breakout जो हुआ all time, I mean breakout जो हुआ days high को break भी किया, but at this point of time I'm not too concerned about these 19,100 calls. I don't think these 19,100 calls have the potential to spike about 12-13, but that's why like I've taken this opportunity because I'm expecting the markets to form a structure something like this, ऐसे बना के ऐसे ऊपर जाना चाहिए. So that is why I have shorted these 19,000 puts as well. But I'll be very careful with these 19,000 puts and I'll have to take them away if we break the structure. स्ट्रक्चर ब्रेक होने तक मैं वेट करूंगा. स्ट्रक्चर ब्रेक होते ही 19,000 पुट्स को मैं निकाल दूंगा. So that's the approach. Alright guys, time is 3:24 minutes into the averaging and I basically got screwed. Screwed probably is an understatement because last time मैंने FinNifty में last FinNifty expiry में मैंने 1.6-1.7% का मैंने जो लॉस लिया था उस पे मेरे को इतना बुरा नहीं लगा था, but today it's quite depressing the way I traded, that too after this. And it was not just the way I traded, but it's also the markets itself. If you look at 19,000 put option, I'll tell you like how many times the markets bluffed me. Look at this. First, the markets 19,000 put option from 14 rupees, it made a high of 55, and then from 10 rupees, it made a high of 50, and then again from 5 rupees, sorry, 4.5 rupees, it made a high of almost 40 rupees. So, 3-4 बार 10x हो गया, and बीच में the calls also blew up. The calls from here from 12 rupees, it made a high of 43, that is almost 4 times. And from here from 7 rupees, it made a high of 36 rupees, that's almost 6 times. And from here from 12 rupees to 30 rupees, another 3 times. So it was just like after this fall, after ये जो fall के बाद जो था, it was constant gamma on both the sides, and it wasn't a day to be making money, but especially my style of trading. ठीक है, like there are a lot of people like who traded, you know, यहाँ पे long गए and यहाँ पे फिर से double top में short गए रहेंगे. So people would have made money, but for the style of trading that I do today was definitely not a day to be making money. So I'll be closing at somewhere around 11,000 rupees. Probably just charges recover होंगे. मेरे 10-12 हज़ार के charges होते हैं. Probably I'll just recover the charges. And yeah, I think a day to forget today on FinNifty front, because I was up by almost 90,000 rupees. एक point of time पे मैं 90,000 था and had to give up everything in this fall, because at that point I was sitting on 19,000 puts, and when even 18,950 puts from 3 rupees, they went to almost 21 rupees. I'll just show you here. This candle, this ascent from यहाँ पे 6 rupees था, from 6 से okay that went to 24, that's fine, but यहाँ पे from 2 rupee 40 paise it went all the way to 21 rupees. So यहाँ पे the puts almost 10x, and they came to exactly where and they came back to exactly where they were within the next 10 minutes. Within the next 10 minutes, पूरा 20 minutes के अंदर 2 rupee 50 paise से 22 rupees and back to 2 rupees 50 paise. So that was a proper bitch move, and there was nothing I could do there, and I lost pretty much all the mark to market cushion I had. And yeah, I mean, FinNifty looks like FinNifty has taken its original form which it had when it just started, you know, trading in the pits. I'd be breaking even after charges, so just the effort for today just got wasted. Can't help it. There will be days like that. I hope you guys had a decent expiry. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.